Hi everyone, my name is Kim Hippotonason and I'm going to guide you through how to attach a syllabus to your faculty directory page. To start, you want to go to the gocolumbia.edu website and choose Faculty and Staff. Next, choose the Faculty and Staff directory, and here you'll have to search for your page, so you can enter your name or part of your name and choose your name and select search. That will bring you to your faculty page, and to edit your page you want to choose update this page. There you'll be able to edit your bio or profile information, change your picture, and attach documents. So to attach a document you want to choose manage your files. I already have some documents attached here. If I needed to attach a new one or delete one, I can delete these here. To upload a new one, I choose this button, choose file, and then I can choose a document from my computer by double clicking, and then I want to select upload file. You can see the new document has uploaded here, and once I hit save and close, that would be saved to my page. I'm going to delete this one since I don't need this one here, and I will save and close. And I always do this for extra measure, save and update user information. And these changes will be saved once you go back to your faculty page. You'll see that your syllabus is attached. So I hope that helps.